Hey guys, it's Fred from Bearfoot Adventures. Cindy's behind the camera. Say hi, Cindy. We're gonna do something a little different. I've been promising some giveaways, so here's the first one. We're gonna do a giveaway video right now, so you make sure you stay tuned. I'll be right back. Thanks guys for coming back. So the giveaway is going to be like this. We're going to pick a video and we're going to pick something in the video that you have to find and answer. So the first person who Facebooks me Messenger with the correct answer and timestamp wins. First of all, you got to be subscribed to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. And leave a positive comment, but nothing about the question. So the question, or the video you need to watch, is where me and Cindy go on a swamp buggy ride. Now that video will be in the description, and it also will be in the comments. So that way you click on it and watch it. Now the question is, Cindy talks to a bird inside of a metal enclosure. What is the name of the bird, and where in the video on the timestamp is this bird question? So the question, where is the timestamp? Is that correct? Okay. So make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, leave a positive comment about the video, but nothing about the question. First person who Facebooks me the messenger of the bird that Cindy talks to, and where in the video does she talk to the bird? What's the name of the bird, and where is the timestamp on the bird? Will win $20 gift card to Amazon. And don't worry, if you miss this one, we'll have more giveaways. So thank you guys, good luck, and hope to see you soon. See you around the campfire. Bye.